Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. Today, we'll cover key tips for keeping your potato plants healthy, watering needs, pest management, and signs of nutrient deficiencies. Let's get started. Proper watering is crucial. Here are some tips. First, consistent moisture is key. Keep the soil moist, especially during tuber formation, and water deeply to avoid waterlogging. Second, frequency matters. Water your potatoes 1 to 2 inches per week, adjusting for rainfall. And lastly, avoid overhead watering. Use a soaker hose or drip irrigation to reduce fungal risks. Effective pest management keeps your plants healthy. Here are common pests and controls. For Colorado potato beetles, handpick the beetles and larvae and use neem oil for severe infestations. For aphids, blast them off with water or use insecticidal soap and introduce ladybugs to control populations. And for wireworms, rotate crops and avoid planting potatoes in the same spot each year. Recognizing nutrient deficiencies helps address issues early. Common symptoms include 1. Nitrogen deficiency, which shows up as yellowing leaves and stunted growth. The remedy is to apply balanced fertilizer. 2. Phosphorus deficiency, where you'll notice dark green or purplish leaves. The remedy is to use phosphorus-rich fertilizer. And 3. Potassium deficiency, which can be identified by yellow or brown leaf edges. The remedy is to apply potassium-rich fertilizer or wood ash. Ensure proper watering, manage pests, and address nutrient deficiencies to keep your potato plants healthy and productive. Follow these tips for a bountiful harvest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!